Hello. Welcome to another episode of Fun Swahili or Nighttime Swahili with and Fresh Mommy. In this recording, we are gonna record for you guys a couple of videos. We wanna cover things you might find in the garage, outside the house, maybe transportation vessels and so on. So let's see how much we can do. We are a little bit busy, so lately our posting is but just get your book and just make sure that you're putting in at least 5 to 10 minutes every day. All right, fresh kids, are you ready? Fresh kids at home, are you ready? I hope everyone is ready, so let's get started. Fresh bro 11, can you read for me this big long sentence over here?
Hinionjeri au mahali
Whoa, I think you went Spanish on us over there. Indio
gereji au mahali tunapohifadhi vitu na kufulia nguo.
Beautiful. So that hii ndio gereji au mahali tunapohifadhi vitu na kufulia nguo. So again, in different houses, this could be a garage, this could be a storage like a shed, or this could be a basement, again depending on how your house is set up. So these are more like utility things. All right, let's get started. Are you ready? Uko tayari? Sawa, tusome hii sentence tafadhali.
Vitu mbalimbali. Very good. Vitu mbalimbali. Kwenye
gereji. You guys are doing J. Sit up for me. You guys are doing J like Spanish. Remember in Swahili, J is G, like, you know, jump, juice, so on and so forth. All right. So
the J turns to an H
in Spanish. Right. All right, so that sentence was vitu mbalimbali kwenye gereji. Vitu mbalimbali kwenye gereji, which means various things in the garage. All right, let's get started. What is the first thing that we are going to learn here?
Wire.
A wire, and in Swahili it's
wire.
It's catch for me, please.
I can actually find everything on the page in the
right. You can kind of do an I spy on the things that are here. You spy them in the picture there. All right.
Oh.
All right. What is paint in Swahili?
Rangi.
Right. And paint, rangi is also color. So color is paint and paint is rangi.
Orange is rangi.
Next thing is broom. Broom is kifagio. Next thing is tap. Tap is
mfereji or
bomba. Very good. All right. Next thing is a shovel. Shovel is koleo. Beautiful. Next thing is ladder. What is a ladder? Ngazi. And remember,
ngazi was stairs.
Right, I was gonna say, and remember, stairs were ngazi. But as you can see, what does the ladder help you to do? To go up. So ngazi is ladder. What about brush? Burashi. You see where it is? All right, beautiful. Next thing is laundry machine. What's a laundry machine in Swahili?
Mashini za kuosha nguo.
Machine za kuosha nguo. Laundry machines. Very good. All right, so that was a big one. All right, next thing is rake. Reki. Good job. Next thing, car. What is a car? Gari. Good job. Let's review that one more time. What is wire? Wire. What's paint? Rangi. What's broom? Kifagio. What's tap?
Mrefi or bomba.
Mfereji au bomba. What's shovel?
Koleo.
Beautiful. What's ladder?
Ngazi.
What's brush? Burashi. What's laundry machine?
Mashine za kuosha nguo.
Good job. What's rake?
Reki.
Car.
Gari.
Gari. Beautiful. Let's try that one more time. Now this time we're going to try and I'm gonna say them in English.
Waya.
No, Swahili, you're gonna say them in English. Sounds good?
Waya.
What is wire?
Wire.
Okay, what is rangi?
Paint.
Paint. Good job. I need to see what I'm asking you. What's kifagio?
Broom.
Broom. Good job. What is mfereji au bomba?
I forgot.
What's mfereji au bomba? Tap. Tap. Good job.
I want to do him first.
What is koleo? What is koleo?
Shovel. You don't have to raise your
Shovel.
head.
Very good. What's ngazi?
Stairs. No. Shovel.
Ngazi.
No. Ladder.
Ladder. Very good. What's burashi?
I know. Brush.
Very good. What's machine za kuosha nguo?
Laundry.
Machines. Laundry machines.
Laundry.
Very good. What's reki?
Rick.
What is gari? Huh?
Oh,
Good
I'm
job.
tired.
Yeah, wewe umechoka si nimechoka leo, yeah? Okay. Haya. So am I asking you in English?
Estoy cansado.
I'm gonna ask you in
No,
English.
mami, estoy cansado.
Your nini? Oh,
I'm tired.
Jeez. So estoy Constanzo is nimechoka.
It's not cansado. Whatever you said.
It's
Cansado.
estoy Constanzo is nimechoka in Swahili.
Mommy, estoy cansado.
Estoy Constanzo's nimechoka. All right. Nimechoka. I'm tired. Estoy. Very nice. All right. Fresh Bro 11. Are you ready? Haya. What is wire?
Wire.
Do you need to check?
I was just checking.
What is wire?
Wire.
What is rangi? Paint. What's kifagio?
Broom.
What's mfereji au bomba?
Tap.
What's koleo?
Shovel.
What is ngazi?
Stairs.
Something that's like stairs.
Ladder.
Good job. What is burashi? Brush. What's machine za kuosha nguo?
Laundry machine.
Very good. What is reki?
Ricky.
Huh? Rake. What is gari?
Car.
All right, take a quick look. Take a quick look. I would like you to attempt to tell me what they are in Swahili now. Okay? Ready?
What?
What are they in Swahili? Ready?
No, let me go.
What is okay, sawa. We can do it together. What's wire? What's wire?
Let me go first. Wire.
Okay, what's paint?
Rangi.
Good job. Broom.
Kifagio.
Tap.
Mfereji.
Au.
Bomba.
Good job. Shovel.
Koleo.
Beautiful. What's ladder? Ngazi. Brush.
Burashi.
Beautiful. What's laundry machines?
Mashine ya kuosha nguo. Mashine ya kuosha nguo.
Beautiful. What's rake?
Reki.
Nice. Car.
Gari.
Good
My
job.
turn.
Go ahead. What's wire?
Wire.
Paint.
Rangi.
Broom.
Sweep.
Broom is what in Swahili?
Kifagio.
Very good. What's tap?
Mfereji au bomba.
I can't hear you. I can't hear you.
Mfereji au bomba.
Beautiful. Shovel. Koleo. Ladder. Ngazi. Good job. Brush.
Burashi.
Beautiful. Laundry machines.
Mashine za kuosha nguo.
Beautiful. Good job. Rake.
Reki.
Nice. Car.
Gari.
Beautiful. Awesome. That was excellent. Good job. And you guys are so tired. You keep yawning. Sawa? Alright, kwa heri. We're gonna try to do another one before we get too tired.
I might be sick. That's why I'm yawning.
Sawa. Kwa heri. See you next time.